Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a 1965 Mustang convertible. This is rotisserie restored, red interior. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see that red primer on the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the power. We're gonna look at that interior. We'll get in the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. So come on up and let's fire it up. So let's check out the grille right here and the front bumper. The front bumper looks like it is original chrome and it's in beautiful shape. That grille is beautiful. The paint is slick as can be. The bodywork is nice and straight. The hood fits nice and flush. The line lines up nice and straight. We've got great looking wheels and tires on them. Those are Magnum 500s. They look brand new. Rocker molding looks good. Emblems in great shape. Look at that line, nice and straight. Also nice and flush. All the stainless looks original to the car and it's in beautiful shape. Look how the door lines up back here, nearly perfect, nice and straight, maybe just a tiny bit tighter at the bottom than the top. And look how easy that door opened. And look at the door jambs here, all nice and clean. Looks like it's got a new latch in it. The rubber actually looks like it may be original to the car. Really nice shape. All the trim back here looks good. Again, the bumper looks like it's probably original. It looks like there might have been a sticker there, probably an inspection sticker or something. These bezels on the taillights also look original. All this tells me that this car was kept inside its entire life. Somebody loved this car. They took very, very good care of it since 1965. This car's almost as old as me. It's 3 years short of being as old as me. See how the wheel wells are nice and clean in there? Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. The gutters here all look good. Paint on the bottom side of the deck lid also looks good. Look down the side of it. Look how nice and straight it is. She's beautiful. Let's see this door. Look at that. See how nice and easy that popped open? Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we take the time to check the cars out before we buy them. When we bring them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any question you may have about the car. So call us at 248-974-9513. Now Vanguard is the largest dealership in the United States that owns all of their own inventory. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. Now let's check out the interior. Check out the door panel here. Beautiful. It looks like a little bit of the chrome coming loose right there. The paintwork all looks good. The handles are all in great shape. The carpeting looks phenomenal. Seat looks great. Steering wheel, dash, beautiful. The AC unit there under the dash, keep you nice and cool. Even put a little cup holder there between the seats. That's cool. Carpeting in the back looks good. The back seat looks awesome. Just an amazing little car inside and out. And look at the chrome on that dash. That is an original dash, guys. All the paintwork inside the dash, the lenses all look nice and clean. Just everything is nice and neat and tidy on the car. All right, let's go for a ride in this 65 Mustang convertible. I tell you what, this is one sweet ride. Rotisserie restored. You're gonna love checking this one out. You're gonna love driving it even more. I mean, one of our beautiful days here in Michigan. It's a little cloudy out, but it's nice and warm, perfect for convertible weather. I tell you what, I love it. You know, I never used to like convertibles, but you know what? It was because I had never driven one. Man, is it sweet. I've been in a couple car shows with them, cruising. It's just sweet to have the open air. Look at this. She's driving, no hands on the wheel, straight as an arrow. Put the brakes on. She's stopping nice and straight. Just a beautiful ride here. These Mustangs are getting really, really hard to find. People are scooping these babies up left and right. Now look down here on the dash. We've got our all the chrome on the dash is in good shape. The speedo's working. The fuel gauge is working. Looks like the temp gauge. We got our AC down here. It does just have the AM radio that came from the factory. The horn is working. Trans is shifting nice. Just a sweet ride here. Now give Tom a call at 248-974-9513 and he can tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. He'd love to tell you all about this car. Also, don't forget, we're right outside of Ann Arbor, Michigan, only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you'd like to come visit, please hop on an airplane, jump in your car, come on out, take a look. We'd love to show you this car. We're bringing in about 35 to 40 new cars a month, so keep a close eye on us. You never know what we'll bring in tomorrow. And I guarantee you, this Mustang's not gonna be here long. These little convertibles fly out the door. So give Tom a call so we can park this dream in your drive. We're coming up on our shop right now. Also, don't forget, we've got mechanics at Vanguard. If you see something you'd like a little different or something you'd like to add to the car, talk to Tom about it. We might be able to do it for you. Here's our shop at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick around because we're gonna put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. Then we'll pop the hood and take a look at the motor. All right, we're underneath this 65 Mustang now, and she is clean under here, just like from the factory. Exhaust system looks new. They've got it coming out the balance here, which is cool. Gas tank's been all painted up. We got right around a 280 gear in here, and it is an open rear end. Now, it looks like it's got new brake lines on it, new shocks. The guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see the floorboards are all primered here, and the frame's all primered, just like it would have been from the factory. I always check out these pinch welds right here where it goes from floorboard to inner wheelhouses. Those look great. Frame looks great. You can see we got the lift sitting on the frame there. The floorboards look original to the car, and that's really rare in these cars, especially with it being a convertible. These things got wet and rusted down. This car was definitely well cared for, kept in a garage its entire life, and she is gorgeous. We got new rubber plugs here. That's actually how you take the seats out. The bolts for the seats are right there. Frame looks good here. Floorboards look great up here. I can still see spot welds from the factory. That is cool. We've got C4 trans here. The guys will check out the steering gear, and again, they'll pull these brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. They'll check out the ball joints. Sway bar looks good. Radius arm bushings look good. Core support looks good. Bottom side of the radiator also looks great. I mean, just a gorgeous car underneath, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. Up front here, we got some great looking Magnums. They look brand spanking new. We got 215 60/14 on the tires. Tires also look brand new. I see nubs on them. Bottom side of the lip here on the front fender looks good. And I always try to feel around in here. That's nice smooth metal there. No patchwork there. Let's check the rear. Back here, again, brand new Magnums, center cap and tires. 215 60/14s. And again, I always check this lip right here. See those spot welds? Man, that's a little bit of history there, and all I feel is a nice thin lip there where that inner wheelhouse connects to the quarter panel. Bottom side of the rocker looks good. That vent hole there looks great, and that rocker molding is beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, this is actually a 289 in here, so it is not the original motor. It looks like it's got a newer distributor in her, at least a rebuilt. It's a factory appearing one. It does have AC on her. She's got a what looks like an Autolite carburetor under there. Chrome valve covers. Everything's nice and solid. Shock towers are solid. Inner wheelhouses are solid. Firewall looks nice and solid. Radiator looks like it's been replaced. I still see stickers here. She's got a Motorcraft battery in her. Looks like a new solenoid, some new battery cables. This car is ready to go, guys. Beautiful paint on the bottom side of the hood. Hey, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.